Happy class of 2020. This video is going to show me decorating my graduation cap. The supplies that I have to decorate today are mainly from Hobby Lobby. The only thing I'm unsure of where it came from is this right here. I'm not sure where I got this from, but everything else I got from Hobby Lobby. So we're going to use our hot glue sticks. And these are some of the decorations that I'm considering. I might put this on the lapel of my graduation gown. I'm definitely going to use one of these. I'm thinking this one. Because she has cute little glasses like I wear. I'm obsessed with these. But this one might go better with my outfit that's going to go under my gown. Some tweezers to help me lay some of the flowers. And this pin on my gown. I made this with resin. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video of me making one of these.
Long hair like bundles, call me Rapunzel. Long hair like bundles, call me Rapunzel. Long hair all down my back, let's keep it a stack. And I ain't got no friends, I ride solo, that's a fact. I'm pretty, I'm feisty, I'm a